Pikachu! Okay, let's go to the next dungeon. We're gonna go to... I want to take that job. Do we go to these first? Or do we go to the new dungeon? I want a delibird. Let's go get the delibird. We're gonna get a delibird. Where was it? Blizzard Island. Yeah, let's go get a delibird. We'll be fine. We'll be fine. To Blizzard Island. To the delibird. Oh, Vigoroth. So I think it's 18. It's either 18 or 20. Yay, we level up. Oh, cool. Missed. That's kind of a garbage move. Yeah, you can get a delibird. Okay, where's... Oh, delibird's 225. Any delibirds here? Oh, delibird, I want you. Come to me, delibird. No, my delibird! Whoa, that was weird. No, delibird, you're supposed to join my squad. We're gonna call it quits when we get delibird. Okay. Okay, we're in the first floor. No, delibird! Kazoo! Okay. Where is the delibird? Oh, it says all like a whole bunch of like old school Pokemon music. Money. Promo Pass? Oh, that's the Mount area from Generation Red and Blue. Die! Promo Pikachu, you're supposed to use Quick Attack. Okay, level 3. So I think it's like floor 18 or 15. Oh, go bat. Come on, you stupid Pokemon. Move it, team. You guys are kind of slow. No, get back here. Stupid low head. Get your ass killed. Gonna get ass killed. I'm just gonna beat the dungeon off screen. I'm just gonna go see if I can get a... We're trying to go hunt for a delibird. We're gonna hunt for a delibird. Let's go hunt for a delibird. Hunting for a delibird. Delibird hunt. Any delibirds around here? Nope. Any delibirds around here? Piplup. I'll take a Piplup. Okay, delibird. Thanks, delibird, but I don't need that. Freaking discharge when I'm trying to get the darn Pokemon. Take it. Come on, Pong Fang. Why do you have to do this to me? You guys are slow. Oh, it's hit snow. Ah, delibird, another one. Come on, delibird. Tackle. Yes! It's a female delibird. We got a delibird. We got a delibird. We got a delibird. We got a delibird. Let's call you Sophia. Sophia. I'm going to die because of reasons. Only 1 HP, really? Hello, welcome to Delibird. Getting a Delibird was a success. Now let's get a male Delibird. Delibird is one of the best Pokemon. Probopass is not one of them. I actually like Probopass. Like all the evolutions of the... what you call it? I like all the evolutions of that. Let's see what we got. The old school game. Oh, this is the Sky Tower in Pokemon, with Rayquaza. Yeah, this is Rayquaza. This game is way harder. Okay, this is the... oh, now I remember. These are all, like, all the legendary music. So, the Pokemon you're gonna meet here are legendary. We got a Resto Berry. I don't know what the Resto Berry is. We got a Vigoroth. Oh, I'm passing the watch. So, we need to go past 20 levels. That's gonna be easy. Is that a Protect or Pursuit? Diving. Okay, that's Mount Thunder. Yeah, that's definitely Mount Thunder. From Generation Watch Red and Blue. Kill it. Big Vigoroth. What you call it? Oh, got another one. Okay. What the heck did you just beat up? You can find a Delibird. That's my job. Our job is to get a Delibird. Seed Bomb. It missed. What the heck is wrong with this? Got 39. Okay. Something with Swamp. Okay, we got... I'm just gonna see what they got. We got money and more money. What the heck is that thing? Is that a Delibird? Oh, it's a Vigoroth. I hate these things. It's a big thing. First it was lazy. Then it got really, like, moving, and then it got lazy again. Because lacking, and then what you call it. What you call it. I think most of the Pokemon here are just like almost like... this is almost like the same layout as that one dungeon in Pokemon. The dungeon with Delibird. Oh. There's a Pokemon right behind us. Actually, I don't care. Oh, that's a Scizor. Kill that thing. I don't care if this Pokemon faints. Wait, do I have another revive? I don't want to... I'll have another revive. I don't want to waste my revives on the... a Delibird. A rare, powerful Delibird. Die, Schnitzel. Ugh. I said die, no. Schnitzel. Die, Schnitzels. There we go. Got a link box. I'm going to energy drain you. And then come over here. That means I can get Delibird without fail. Oh, it's a male. Oh, I want a male with Delibird. Hit it. Hit it. You're not helping. You're not helping, team. You're not helping. No, Delibird. You're supposed to be my friend. First time with Delibird. What is this? Oh, a flamethrower. Oh, Oranberry. That's really useful. Okay. I think here. Oh yeah, this place has monster houses. Die, you duck. Got low Ted. Why are you? Wow. Come on, Mirby. Okay, rain, not bad. Thank you. Okay, there's these stairs. What? That was like freaking wow. Okay then, that Pokemon's dangerous. Delibird, let's go. Yeah, it's kind of weird I have a Japanese. Oh, I was gonna get attacked that time. Any more Delibirds? Watch out for the monster houses. We got some money. We got a Pokemon named Vigoroth. I hate these things. Fighting these in the mystery dungeons are tedious. Vigoroth. I am sexy. Oh, Mount Thunder. Ow. I need to get poisoned. Stop doing it. I'm trying to do this properly. Agua Tail? Really? Energy Ball. Kill this damn thing. No, I don't want to get warped. That's just fun. I want to make it great. Episode's fighting. It's gonna die. Okay. Okay, episode's gonna make it. Sweet. No, it's stupid low Ted. It's gonna get it just killed. I shouldn't bring him. He's gonna die, he's gonna die, he's gonna die. He's gonna die, he's going to die. And then you're gonna waste my revive. Stupid low Pokemon. Now watch this, we're gonna get to a monster house. Gosh damn it. Waste my revive because of you. You stupid Pokemon. I'm trying to get to this area. Oh, stairs. Okay. Anyways, we got one Delibird. We got one Delibird family member. Yay, we got a Delibird. I love Delibird. I feel sorry for him. Oh, I have items. Are they useful? Are they? If they're ADC. Really? 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 I'm sorry. Okay, we're in 10th floor and I think there's 19. Okay, they got money and some other thing. Okay, I don't need that. Thank you very much. Cast form. Now what are you trying to learn? Oh, natural growth. That's way better than Astonish. Okay, good job. Got 11 floors. I think we're almost there. I think it's less than 30. So we should be fine. I think it's like 15. So let's go to 18 floors. Golduck. Okay, we did it. Another cash form. I'm trying to get far going. Oh, it's a Vigoroth. I hate these. Oh, Vigoroth. Oh, great. I can't attack it. Thunder Cave, whatever it's called.